Is everybody fine with that? Shall I create one?
We can also do alignment in the tables. For example, if I'm having longer names, is getting right alignment.
That's actually not the objective of pandas. I mean, that is a visualization thing. Okay. Fine, everybody is able to do that?
Yeah, I use data frame of D1 as my series. D1, D2, D3. I'm getting error. If I use dictionary, I'm getting shape of past values.
All of them should be of same size.
Yeah, it's the same size.
Same size. Huh? I mean, if it is not, then it will show me. Oh, you have to give it as a dictionary, right?
Dictionary is good.
That we have to give. Here, if you have to give it like this, then you have to give it as a bracket, as a list. That's good. Okay, so I have let's move ahead before we I just wanted to give a so I have used you guys create your account here. Okay, in financial this website data.gov.in, choose any type of data that interests you. You should be very comfortable with reading data and all that. I just took some financial data of different insurance companies. Okay, we are just getting started with it, so I'll load it now. ed dot Okay, just last thing that I'm doing today.
Join.
Yeah. Okay, just last thing before I yeah. So just wanted to help you. Okay, so now this is the data here. This is the file, right? Summary of financial report. If you load this, see this is the data that you are seeing here. Can you see the format? This is summary of data. This is summary of financial performance for whatever. This is this organization fourth quarter. This so gross premium, and you loaded the data and you saw this result, right? So this is you can see this is your column names. This is your indexes, right? Okay. If you want, you can print it like this also. Transpose of it. But I think the earlier one of it. Okay. So this is okay. Parameters is the gross premium is. This can be your index actually. You want to make this as index column. Let's see if we can make it. DF. If you want to get all the column names, do df.columns. This is the first column name. Understood, right?
Only if you don't use the path string to find the file.
No, just I have put it in the same directory where you're running your Jupyter notebook. If you're giving it another path, right, C drive, just make sure you give the full path, and before that you write R before it. Okay, just to take the entire string as raw string. Otherwise, escape sequences will create problem. /d/t will be there, right? Okay, just or keep it in the same directory. Okay, and here I want to give it index name. You can tell which column you want to make index. You see now, you have created the first column, is it understood, right? So by telling it which columns you want to use at index, you actually can from a file you are getting a column which you're treating it as an index. Make sense? Okay, so I mean, I just wanted to end the session today because with this approach that you can go home and log into this website and try loading some data, making something as index, and you can see here you are getting some information. Gross premium is this for this account. So which is better? Which is highest? This guy is highest, right? New insurance, NIACL. Right, all of their fourth quarter result. Remember, this is only fourth quarter result. If you want other quarter results, you can download all the data, combine this thing, and find a cumulative. This is just one data. Make sense? Okay. So yeah, get into that act of I will use some known data as well, Titanic data, this data, and all. But at the same time, I will give you assignments to work on this data, which will publish in our website with the community thing, right? So whoever finishes the assignment in the best way, that result will be publishing in our LinkedIn as well as in the website itself with your name. Okay. So I'll tell it as you see.
Before that, hello, Avantik. Can you please go to the previous one? The R you have mentioned. So you put the file in CSV file in same folder, right? So you can put pd.r read_csv, or if you want to put it in a different folder, you can put the path, right?
Yeah, I'll show that as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you can do, R, just wherever you have kept it, right? Just write the complete stuff. Okay, but just write R before that. Huh?
I think read underscore.
Right. So this is one way.
Got it. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so time to load some CSV files, play around with it. Okay, if you want to access a column, yeah, these are all the column names. Got it, right? If you want to access a particular column, you do df, or you want to access multiple columns. First on this column, copy the entire thing.
Can we access without saving it in the computer?
You need the URL for that. Right, you are getting two columns out of it. If you want to access it without saving in the computer, you can give database name, or read CSV, give the URL of it.
URL then
bracket, actually, just like this. A lot of files you will find, we have uploaded in this. Yeah, we'll end it now. So here you will find some files here. Suppose you want to load some file here. Click here, make it raw, copy this URL, load that directly. Okay, wherever you get the data in this format, okay, CSV format, you can come to it. you're loading directly from that page. You don't have to save it in your system. Okay, so time to play around with this. Take any data. Either you can use my data, which is present here. I would rather encourage you to play with original data, see some analysis. Okay, time to deal. Okay, that's all for today. We'll catch up tomorrow.
Yeah, Avantik, can you please share the recording?
Recordings I'll share by this Friday actually. By tomorrow I'll be sharing.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.